While Mumbai continues to battle with acute health infrastructure, a building society in Kandivali West is trying to make arrangements for its residents in case they are found COVID-19 positive. Now, this building society has made an isolation zone inside their building itself on the 7th floor, converting their available gym area into an isolation facility. Now, what we're showing you is the specific isolation facility which the building residents have made. The housing society has come together to make this facility available. At the entrance, there is a sanitizer with a foot pedal immediately so that the patients and doctors can sanitize themselves. There are also seating facilities made available with chairs and sofa along with the required social distancing measures here inside the hall area. As we told you, the gym facility was converted into the isolation zone. So the gym equipment has been kept aside till the facility could be provided for people. The required PPE kits and other face masks have also been kept available along with the biodegradable waste disposal dustbin so that the medical waste can be disposed out there. There are 2 beds being made available inside this building which has about 200 members so that the required care could be given to the patients. And along with the toilet facilities, they have ensured that the required face mask, face shield, PPE kits and an oxygen cylinder is kept ready in case the patient shows critical symptoms of COVID-19. The place is regularly sanitized as told to us by the building society members, and this area will be made available for the residents if they want to quarantine themselves after showing symptoms. Remember, the residents can call the doctors, physicians, whoever they want if they want to get tested about this facility. Now, this comes immediately on the heels of Guardian Minister Aslam Sheikh asking such housing societies to convert their community space areas into these facilities. Let's ask some of the housing society members here as to why they made or why they have had this idea. So what inspired you into making this? Because we understand people are just scared of the entire concept and phenomenon. They are taking due care. But having an isolation facility inside the building could prove to be a big risk, don't you think?
There is absolutely no risk because we are not using this facility for any patients who have severe symptoms. It is only for asymptomatic or mild symptomatic patients who otherwise are also medically advised that they can get quarantined even at their home. So if they can get quarantined at their home, society is always an extended home for all the family members of the society. Hence we thought it would be better if any member who has problem of space at his home or who doesn't exhibit any major symptoms and needs only to be isolated or quarantined, rather than him going out and spending a lot of money in private hospitals or using the ill-equipped institutional quarantines available elsewhere, he can get quarantined himself within the society and among his family members because we will be all accessible.
But do you think housing societies should have this concept? What is your idea?
Yeah, I think it is very much advisable to have this facility in the societies where this kind of facilities available, gym, cafeteria, etc. So most of the members can take the benefit of it.
Do you think the same, sir? Other societies should also do this?
That is the main. This is our advice to everybody that in Bombay there is a shortfall, and all other societies they should follow this concept. Particularly, they have the refugee center is short. This type of our gyms and high-rise societies all are having this type of facilities. And if everybody follows, government's burden will be reduced, and the accommodation is available initially for their own members, and they can get the homemade food and all kada, whatever it is there, so that is available inside the building from their house only. That is the main advantage for it.
Absolutely. So a very noble idea here where you can put your own money, be inside your own building and ensure that you get the required medical health care after taking due caution and the requirements from the necessary physician and the healthcare facilities. This facility could be made in your building itself is what is recommended by the housing society members. With camera person Nitin, this is Neha Kulkarni from Mirror.